Your passion has paid off. The beverage business you've worked so hard to create is booming. But as market dynamics shift, the tools you currently use, like spreadsheets, logbooks or accounting software, could be preventing your business from realizing its full potential. But now, there is Brutos. Brutos is end-to-end beverage management software that provides brewers and distillers with full visibility into financial and operational health for enhanced decision-making and efficiency. It utilizes data from across your business by combining front and back office functions such as accounting, sales, production, packaging, brand management, inventory and warehousing in a single system. Brutos leverages the power of SAP Business One, empowering your entire team to diversify with new beverage categories or contract services, quickly adapt to market changes, streamline business processes including production and packaging, comply with changing regulations, easily prepare TTB and excise tax reporting, and so much more. Brutos syncs seamlessly with other vital technologies like e-commerce and POS, eliminating error-prone data entry and automating processes for new levels of productivity. Interactive, customizable dashboards and widgets make important customer, sales and production data accessible to your team from any device. Users can drill into production details, capture actual start and end dates and times, receive finished items, and process and close orders as well. Production teams can use Brutos' mobile-friendly scheduling app to manage schedules from the production floor. And with its robust feature set and aggressive roadmap, Brutos will enable your business to grow without limitations. So, what are you waiting for? Get back to brewing with Brutos.